Well, one day if my brother became Kane in Animal Company, he was born in 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna be trolling as Kane. So yeah, shout out to my brother for my intro.
I got no YouTube channel.
Well hey, people could recognize you, so yeah.
I'm out.
Guys, guys, I'm gonna show my Kane. Okay, so
Welcome to Amazing Digital
stop
Circuit.
interrupting the intro!
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Welcome to Amazing Digital Circus. I will clap your butt. Just kidding. And I am your windmaster, Kane. We're going on a fun YouTube adventure. Let's go! Woo! Oh my god.
Ooh, wait, blah. I got a really good idea. How about my first cowboy join is Snail, because Snail is the most
No!
popular.
I don't know how to spell. I'm stupid, Kane.
Don't worry, I know how to spell it.
Okay, guys, we're going into a code snail. Let's go! Okay, guys, we know
SNAIL.
SNAIL. Okay, guys, see you when I'm in a code snail. Okay, it's just so laggy.
What is this?
I'm going Master Kane! What is happening?
Give everybody company.
It's a giveaway! Why is it a giveaway?
But my game is lagging.
Bum bum. I got two amazing circus. It's skip.
Toss them all in the binge!
Oi, Green!
What is happening?
Join my amazing circus. Join my circus. Yeah, I think we need the latest code.
Oh my god.
Oh my, I have
You can't do that with Mark.
I have 10 million!
Oh my god. Jeez. So, guys. Yeah, it was so weird. Like a code. Oh my god, bro. It was so laggy. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna go online so my brother can join me. Okay, I'm just gonna join a random server. Please tell me it's not a modded server. Okay, good.
Can we?
I'm trapped.
Jab it.
Oh.
Come on, why don't we go?
Hold up, where is it? And cookies? Hello?
Okay, guys.
Where's new?
Guys, I'm Kane. You must bow to me. I'm your windmaster.
Audio Zoo 9000. Oh, this one. Song. Isn't the song? Oh.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna try to join it. It's not full. Okay, it's not modded. Also, and I don't really think. Yeah, there's only 2 players inside. Oi! Yeah, I think it's depressed. I think we could just leave him. Okay, wait, actually, okay. George, I'm being careful since there could be a mod. Okay, here's one fit.
Okay, at least all of it.
Good. And here's another.
I know the code. Join my friend. No,
Hey,
I know
is
what
that
it is.
Pomni? Hey, Pomni!
Okay, no, delete everything. Delete everything.
You don't take them on. You know Leo C.
You
Delete
supposed to
everything
be
on the
in a
computer.
circus.
Bro.
How did you escape? I need to tell you. How did you escape, bro?
Well, it's literally okay. The code is
How did you escape?
blue. The code is
Okay.
okay. Okay.
Blue for what?
Oh, hi, Mr. Doggy.
Write everything upon S.
S.
S. I.
What's S?
Nobody.
Bro, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh my God! It's a mimic. Hey, mimic. You a big one.
Okay, it's S. I.
Why is that a
Aw, you are so cute.
S?
Mama.
Hey, guess what? Guess what? I did drugs. Okay, guys. It's gonna be out of the
The code is
server.
shit.
Let's go
Take a back.
to a bird server. Let's go. I'm scared if it's a modded server, bro. Okay. It's a chill server, good. Yeah. Georgie, I'm being careful to see if it's a modded. Okay, it's not a modded server. Oh my, it's full. Wait, actually, I don't know if you can join. Okay, guys, so about 5 more lobbies and it will be end of the video. So help you. Oh, please tell me you want to.
Okay, give me the
Just
goop.
eat
Give me the goop. Give me the goop. Make it
Yo, where's the skill tree?
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Follow me, just follow me.
Hello, guys.
Red with the
Hey,
stuff in the top.
you want some meat?
What?
We're doing a meat giveaway.
Guess what?
Stop eating the meat.
Okay. It's
Wait,
actually not that
guys,
hard.
stop eating it.
I can't see. Cause
Hey, stop taking all the meat, bro.
I ate it all.
You didn't eat it.
One second, I'm gonna take this.
and
I'm gonna take this and
hey,
I
that's
gotta
not
skedaddle.
Kane. I'm a little Kane. Whoa, what are you doing here? I just lost my hat. I'm now bored. What did you do?
Get fucked up. And do you need a different?
Yeah, I was just gonna use a little mod. Some illegal
Now,
stuff.
Guys, we have to join it off.
trying to make small.
So, just here, just in case it's so. Yep, don't join. Dude, I said don't join. Don't join. I said don't join.
Please. Yes.
Hi,
Oh my god.
I'm your Windmaster Kane.
My luck is
Hey,
so
guess
good.
what? Guess what? Yeah, that's weird.
Oh,
That's Jacob.
get out of here, Pink. I'm burning you alive.
Jacob. Cooking with Jacob.
What more do you want from me?
I'm just scared if I join a modded server and it like yeah, here's a modded server. Actually, it's really peaceful in here. Yes, there's a couple of prisons. Okay, Joe, join. The code's not full. Is this a present for me? Let me open.
No, don't open it. Don't open
Okay. Hey guys, guess what? I need to tell you something.
You cannot open it. It's glitch.
Oh, it's glitch. Shimmy, 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 Drake, tra-la-la-la. Drake, tra-la-la-la. Tra-la-la-la.
Can you give me this? Wait, drop it. Drop it.
It's my cake. Don't you dare steal
No,
it.
listen, drop it if you're not gay. Drop it if you're not gay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, boy, you're gay. Boy, you're gay.
it. Yeah,
Can you take me out?
Kane,
Gay, take me out to get it.
Okay,
Can you take me out to get it?
Someone report this guy. He said that to GAY.
Wait, Red. Are you the model?
I'm not the model.
Are you the model?
I'm just Kane. I traveled to a different dimension.
Okay. Do some magic shit. Wait, give me this. I can teach you. Kane, do some magic.
Shimmy, eh?
Wait, guys, I know I can do magic, but then do some magic. I can do some magic, bro. Do some Kane magic. Or whatever you do. Hey. Do some magic. Spawn a glycan.
Who's
He is in the mother. He's just rolling as Kane. He's rolling.
Hey, guess what? You're maximum
the modder? Where's the mother?
Oh, give me it. I'm gonna show you a magic trick.
My guys, stop!
Oh, that's a grenade.
Don't be rude to me, I'm just Kane!
Okay.
My controls died.
Hey, look at this.
Hey,
Hey,
it's
look
my
at this.
Kane! Did you duplicate it?
Let's join the code. Got it. Oh, I'm gonna copy you. Guys.
Help me! Oh my god! Hey, bro! Don't copy me! I'm going to stash! Okay, guys. This is good so far. We already making some funny moments. Why is Abby? Here's a briefcase in stage 5. Actually, no, it's next to stage 5.
Here's the mother.
Hey, guess what?
What is these things?
The mother.
Hey guys, you wanna know something? Give me.
Oh my
Guys, I'm doing okay.
Guess
I want to fucking that guy.
Guess what? Red is my least favorite color.
Hey! Code Elmo.
What the hell? No.
Wow, what the fuck
I'm
are you?
Kane.
Elmo, like
Sure. You're being rude. He's bold. He's
Ah,
trying to
you're
bully
being
me.
rude. Say something.
No, let's
Don't
have a
hit me.
fight.
You duplicate my thing.
I'm okay.
Guys, here's the mother.
I'm not the border.
Me.
I'm just Kane.
Check it out. I'm it. I'm the mother. Dude, come here. Give me in, come on. Yeah, bro. See me flying? Hey, the mother.
Why did you torture
I'm
me?
flying.
I just want to
Fly
see.
it.
Oh,
Fly it.
there's no mother. Yeah.
Who has a broom?
I don't know.
Give me.
You will. Oh,
Who wants to trade for a broom? Who wants to trade for a broom? Come down to stage if you want to trade for a broom.
Nobody likes food. And then my least favorite's called. Wait, Jax!
Who has a
Hey,
broom?
hey, Boo, are you Jax?
Hey, Jax, guess what?
Yeah, I'm Jax.
Hey,
Don't
Boo.
slap your cheeks.
Bro,
Guys, I'm
I know
ready.
that guy. You
Guys, this is pretty good so far. Hey,
Guys,
Jax,
did
how
I
did you
carry
stop
us?
Somebody have a broom. I'll
Guys,
trade
this is my
them.
favorite. This is my robot, you see. Guys, this is my robot.
How do you get that?
Yes, I got some
How do you get How do you get the outfit?
Guys, this is my robot. It's kinda annoying.
How do you get the mask?
I know what the real one does.
Okay, guys, follow me.
Guys, ready to see it?
Follow me.
How did you get
Everyone, follow me for a new adventure.
Hey, green,
Follow me.
green.
Everyone!
Mining with a
Everybody go to stage 5 for a great new adventure. It's a duel, and if you die, yes, no mercy. But I'm your Ren Master, so you're not allowed to kill. Yeah? What is it?
It got something!
It's stupid.
Hey guys, let them miss me box. I'm doing
Okay, guys, we are gonna have a fight to the death, but no one's allowed to kill me since I'm your Ren Master. So everybody, get any weapon. Just know.
Why do you look a lot different?
Hey, let me get the stick. Let me get the
Kill
stick
me!
back.
I'm your Ren Master. That's disrespectful. Whoa, stop!
Oh, you're my
Guys, you started to creep me out.
robot.
Oh my God! So
Robot.
nobody, don't kill me. I'm just Kane. I'm just
We got
Kane.
Jack and Cricket.
I'm just your friendly Ren Master. What are you doing?
You know everything.
What? Okay, guys, have a fight to the death. Have a fight to the death. 2, 1, go! But don't kill me, please!
Nah,
I'm
you
not
look at
joining!
me.
I'm not joining! I'm not...
You are joining. Hey, everybody kill the game, move up.
Help me!
Everybody
Help
go.
me!
Go, shoot.
Oh, whoa, no!
I'll tell you nothing.
Hey, stop bullying Kane! All I tried was shoot you away for Glock 19.
Ooh. I'm flying! Don't! Never disrespect me again!
Guys, go to kitchen.
Oh my... Yeah, I think you guys. Okay.
Get up.
Okay. Why do you people try to kill me?
Leave him alone!
Look at this yacht. Bang!
He's our ringmaster! Right, he's our ringmaster.
Yeah, no one hurts me.
Smash me with that thing.
Hurt you.
He's our ringmaster! He's our ringmaster.
Why is everyone trying to copy me? Guys, guess what? You're in a video. Oh, congratulations. Oh my god, my 4 camera, it's so small.
You in a video?
Yeah, congratulations. Oh, okay. Oh my, where did it go? Okay, I'm just telling you guys, you're in a video, so congratulations. Shout out to,
Hey, they don't care about you if you say you're doing a video. Yeah, we'll still kill you.
my videos are better than yours. Jeez, I think I got a hard server. Okay, guys, can you say bye to a camera as I go into the next server? Wait, Pony, where does a camera keep on going? Where does it? Okay, have it follow me. What is happening, bro? I'm just trying to get my... Yeah, my camera.
What was that?
Okay, guys, I'm just saving. Subscribe! Okay, guys, actually, you don't have to subscribe. Yeah, it's just for a Kane video. My camera keeps on disappearing.
Yeah, I don't know why. Oh, yeah, by the way, my brother has over 60 subscribers.
Yeah, yes, gotta be some more. Okay, guys. So, guys. Oh my
Kane, run!
Okay, guys. Good. So,
You're trying to kill my webmaster!
so everybody, yeah, it's today's adventure. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna leave now, but you're in the video, so congratulations.
I'm dozing.
Okay, guys, my name's Wendy. Ow, my ears! Okay, my channel name is WendyVR16. If you would like to support me, you can. You don't have to. I'm not forcing you or anyone. I'm not forcing anyone to subscribe. It would just support me. As I
No way, bro, I follow.
Please help. Hey, don't be rude to your master.
Has it.
Yeah, Kane, we have to go. People don't care.
Ah, why are people trying to kill me? And 6. Oh, I'm doing. Oh, Michael Jackson. Okay, what is happening? Like, well, when I try to. Well, what is happening, bro? I swear something's weird. Oh my. Okay. Yeah, it's got to be, yes, it's got to be my Kane, my beautiful Kane. Okay, does it work now?
gonna grab this hand.
What is happening?
Yeah, down like this.
Okay,
Put it
guys.
down and then pick it up.
Bye.
Then we'll be even lower. See? You do have it.
I don't have it. Not even on my back. Bro, I don't have an axe on my back. Why? Well, I don't even have an axe.
Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Join in my fan code. No one's in. Why is no one in? Why is no one in? Why is no one in? Wait, so it was a code. Jeez, it was just a weird glitch. Okay, guys. George, I'm in my fan code. Okay, so guys, that was an amazing video. Subscribe to my channel if you want. You don't have to. It would just support my channel. So everyone, Georgie, can you say bye to our viewers?
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Also, please subscribe. Actually, no, you don't have to. Okay, just had the video already.
You don't have to be really crazy with Stormzy.
Boom, 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 boom.
How